Forex trading is a place where traders trade currency in pairs. Commercial banks, central banks, investment companies are large dealers in Forex trading. Individuals also trade in Forex trading. You just need large capital and an account to enter the world of Forex trading. In Forex, trading currencies are mostly traded in pairs. The currencies chosen for trade are those who have either stable or higher value than other currencies. It is advisable to take the advice of a professional trader when you are new to Forex trading. It will help you to understand all Forex trading issues and ways to cope with these issues. Beware of double dealers in Forex trading. Fraud became easier in the foreign exchange market because of its global presence. The global existence of Forex trading is an amazing technological advancement, but be careful from cheaters. Forex trading provides many opportunities for newcomers. There are many specialist firms and individuals to appreciate and guide newcomers. Search for these companies for guidance. These companies are operating in the financial market for many years. Taking their suggestions and guidance is just like gaining an experience of 5 to 10 years in few months. Listen to their advice carefully and act upon them seriously. It will give you long-term benefits to survive in Forex trading. It is the finance rule that the higher the profit, the higher the risk. Profit and risk are directly proportional to each other. Keep this rule in your mind. It is one way to identify scammers. Scammer companies will try to attract you by showing higher profits and lower risk, which is against the rules of finance. Another way to learn about Forex trading is to work as a broker's assistant. Remember that every broker works for a legitimate company, so be sure that the broker with whom you are going to work belongs to government-registered firm. It will help you to check the authenticity of the broker and prevent you from scammers. Before trading in the foreign exchange market, do sufficient research to collect trade details. You should be aware of all the essential Forex trading activities. You should be aware of how companies operate and how you can avoid deceitful companies and individuals. Keep in mind that Forex trading is a highly volatile and unstable market where large firms and financial institutions transact currencies. So do not trade with those companies who offer interbank market trade. Avoid trading with those companies which do not disclose their information such as history, financial statements, annual reports, etc. Do not transfer cash in their accounts at all. More you will be vigilant, less will be the chances of deceit. Always be cynical while dealing with individuals and corporations in Forex trading. Do not rush after those companies which offer you to provide promotional offers such as advertisement. All these activities are there just to make fool of you. In spite of all the above suggestions, it purely depends upon you to adopt them or not. You should know when, where and with whom you have to trade in the foreign exchange market. So in short, if you want to enhance in Forex trading career, act skeptically and please beware of scammers and act upon all the above sincere advice. Don't forget to check the best offers in the description. If you like the video, then like and share it and give your opinion through a comment. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then do it now and also press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my future videos. Thanks for watching.